Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've joined the meeting, now act. On desktop, move your cursor to the bottom toolbar and open Participants. On mobile, tap the screen to reveal controls. Once done, scan for a Raise Hand button or a Reactions menu. Webinars show it under Participants. You're doing this to signal the host without interrupting audio. Make sure to use it instead of unmuting. If controls are hidden, toggle the interface visibility. Because locating the feature is the first actionable step to participate, you're ready to raise your hand. Click or tap the Raise Hand control. On mobile, go to Reactions, then Raise Hand. On desktop, use the Participants panel or Reactions icon. Once raised, the host and co-hosts see an indicator by your name and may call on you in order. That's why you should remain muted until invited to speak. When your turn ends, or if you change your mind, lower the hand from the same menu to keep the cue accurate and avoid confusion. When the host calls on you, unmute promptly and speak clearly for a short turn. This maintains meeting flow. If the raise hand option is missing, first update the Zoom app and rejoin because older versions hide features. If problems persist, ask the host to check participant privileges or enable the raise hand setting. Roles and webinar modes can remove it. As a quick fix, relog or switch devices. If none work, send a chat to the host.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.